because who doesn't want to look younger? We have another skincare day review thing. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Hayden. We have another skincare day review thing. I would have to say that I'm actually really looking forward to doing this one because I'm a big fan of myth busting or proving something wrong or being happily surprised when it's right. I'm just going to dive straight on in. It's not a sponsored video. I went and picked this up with my own money. So today's video is based on my experience and first impressions. Now what we are going to take a look at is the Skin Doctors Cosmeceuticals Instant Eyelift. And it says instant right on the packaging in 5 minutes. This cost me $24.99, so 25 Australian dollars, and I will do the conversion down below. It says right on here in bold down the bottom, it immediately smooths eye wrinkles, fine lines, eye bags, and puffiness in 5 minutes. For that $25, you're going to get 10 mils or 0.3 fluid ounces of product. I've got the website open to get a little bit more information. Skin Doctors Instant Eyelift gives the appearance of an eye lift without surgery. It helps to instantly improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness. Recommended for anyone wanting to disguise puffiness and deep lines around the eyes. A non-comedogenic formula suitable for all skin types, including oily and sensitive skin. It works to immediately smooth eye wrinkles, fine lines, eye bags, and puffiness in 5 minutes for younger looking eyes. It targets delicate eye contour and tightens and firms the skin tissue. The gentle serum glides across the under eye area, forming a liquid film that helps smooth lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness under the eyes caused by skin sagging. I will take a screenshot of the ingredients, but some of them in the top line is hyaluronic acid and their BioCare SA. The step-by-step on the back of the box, it's pretty straightforward. There are 7 steps. Apply Skin Doctors Instant Eyelift 30 minutes before you need to look your best. Cleanse skin, pat dry, shake bottle vigorously before use. If texture is gritty, continue shaking the bottle. This is activating the serum. Apply 1 to 3 strokes to form a thin layer under the eye. Do not massage in or apply too much as you may experience white residue. Once applied, look straight ahead and do not make any facial movements, such as smiling, talking, winking, or laughing until the serum has dried. Apply Skin Doctors treatment products. Follow with the moisturizer. We're not going to do that. Apply makeup as required, or blah, 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 blah. Okay, I really want to test this out. I want to see if it actually works, and we will come in and do a before, and then we'll put it on, give it the 5 minutes, and do an after to see if there is actually any difference. This is what the product looks like. I do like the packaging. It does look kind of luxe. It looks expensive. It's hard plastic. I do enjoy that it has a pump and it's not like a squirt bottle where you got to put it in the palm and do the thing, or a tub. I'm going to come on in and we're going to take a look at my under eye area. You can see I do have fine lines all around my eyes, and I didn't get the best night's sleep last night, so this is actually a really good test to see if we're going to see any results. It said to give it a good shake, so we'll do that first. It is rather liquidy. You can see it running down my finger. Swipe as directed. Don't massage it in. Let it do its thing. We will do the other side. Okay, well, I've got it on. We're going to give this its allotted 5 minutes, and then we will check back in. We're halfway through, and it's really given a tightening kind of feeling under the eyes. I know it says I'm not supposed to talk, so I'm doing my best to keep my face still. You really feel it like cinching your skin in. You can already see the smooth out happening. So there goes our alarm. I can definitely feel it on my face. I feel like it's very tight underneath. I mean, there's no denying it's smoothed out the fine lines. I will do it side by side. What I do think that I made the mistake of is I put too much on. It did say it'll leave white residue where I've wiped and did this. And I've also put it on top of my moisturizer and all my skincare stuff. Doesn't say that you can't do that. Oh, actually it does. It literally says it in the directions that you are to follow with skincare, moisturizers, etc. It says their brand, but I don't think it matters. But what we're testing is whether or not it's smoothed out lines. And you can definitely see that it has done that. That is wild. I'm definitely going to be testing this out some more because who doesn't want to look younger? I wonder if it'll work on the lines up top. The one thing I would say about it, there's no residue left. My skin doesn't feel tacky or anything like that. When it was drying, it was very shiny, and I was kind of concerned that I was going to leave that shiny film on your face, but you can see that it hasn't done that. There's no shine. I'm gonna have to play around with the amount that I put on so I don't get the white residue everywhere where I've swiped, but it is very comfortable on the skin. As it stands, I think we have a winner here. I think this stuff actually lives up to its claims. I will link it all down below. If you check it out for yourself, let me know, is it the same result for you? Because that is crazy. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all the fun stuff, and most importantly, stay tuned.